Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unblock accounts on the X app, also known as Twitter, right from your PC using the latest update. If you've ever blocked someone by mistake or simply decided to reconnect, this guide will walk you through every step clearly and simply. So let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This will open up a small menu packed with extra settings and options for your account. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Privacy and Safety. This is where all your control options for blocking, muting, and protection of your account are located. Now, head into Mute and Block. Under this section, you'll find the option labeled Blocked Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll see a full list of every account you've blocked so far. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the account you'd like to unblock. Once you've found it, look for the word blocked sitting beside their username. Click on it. The status should instantly change, confirming that the account has been successfully unblocked. That's it, you've just unblocked someone on X using your PC. It's that simple. The newly unblocked user will now be able to see your posts again, interact with your content, and send messages if your settings allow it. Before wrapping up, remember that you can always re-block or mute accounts anytime if you change your mind. X makes it easy to manage your social space just the way you want it. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to hit like and share this video with others who might need some help navigating the new update. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, helpful tech tips, just like this one. Thanks for watching.